What's the 240W USB-C cable? The Type-C to Type-C cable 240W is the latest certification mark scheme of USB power delivery 3.1 specification. An upgraded version of 60W, 100W, 240W USB-C cable can replace all other charging cables. Backward compatible with lower power requirements like 180W, 140 with 100 with 60W and below. Note: please be aware that a C-port adapter with the appropriate power is required. Closing parenthesis. Blazing fast power delivery. Compared to normal 60W, 100W fast charge cables, this USB-C cable to USB-C is equipped with a 240W, 48V5A, output, to easily supply power to a gaming laptop. Never worry about running out of power in the middle of a game again. Safe smooth charging. The USB Circa PD cable has an exclusive eMarker smart chip that intelligently matches the required current. 56 kΩ resistors provide seamless conduction and smooth charging, helping to protect your device from potential electrical damage. Broad compatibility. This 240W USB-C charging cable works seamlessly with laptops, 2022 MacBook Pro, etc., cell phones, Samsung S22, Google Pixel, LG, etc., tablets, iPad Pro, etc., Switch, Steam Deck, and more. Note: data transfer speed is 480 megabits per second and can transfer a 1 GB movie in 30 seconds, but only USB 2.0, not USB 3.0 quarters 0 or Thunderbolt. Built for longevity. Aluminum housing, nylon braiding, and 250D fiber core keeps the USB-C to USB-C cable 6 feet from fraying or splitting while exposed to over 20,000 bend tests. The tangle-free design allows you to easily wrap up and stow it away. Top reviews from the United States. Great cable with the specifications as described. Cable has good quality and transfers watt up to 150 and value versus price is great. One person found this helpful.